What's your name and where you're from?
Benjamin Talia. I'm from Israel, farming sheep in the Golan Heights.
So what do you think networks like the Smart network is so important?
I think the main thing is to keep your data on your sheep. It's very important to be onto your sheep to get a better performance from your flock, get better lambs and produce better meat at the end of the day. I think it's very important to use as much as possible information as you can get through high tech or through e-tags or anything that can help getting more information from your flock or your sheep. It helps very much for getting better production.
So what are the impressions so far?
Very nice, very good.
Okay, thank you very much.